Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fulfill orders on Eprolo through Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, Eprolo is a dropshipping platform which does require an online storefront such as Shopify, so when you integrate it, then you'll be doing most of your things through Eprolo and not Shopify, but let me show you guys how you can integrate them. First, from your Shopify dashboard, search for Eprolo and install the app. Now, I have already installed it. It's as easy as going to the Shopify App Store, installing Eprolo, and then just making an account or logging into an already existing one, choosing Shopify as your store of choice. You can always connect to a new store on the Eprolo dashboard, and once you do those things, that's pretty much it. Now, you're going to need to find products on Eprolo and actually sell them through Eprolo to be able to get orders, and once you get an order, you just go into orders and go into Eprolo orders. You can also import orders from other sources if you have any other sources, but if you're on Shopify, you should just get Eprolo orders right here. Here, you're going to need to process your orders just by selecting an order from the pending screen. You can also automate this, I'm pretty sure, so that you don't need to do each one manually, but you can do it manually as well. Then you need to go to order processing and then process everything that needs to be processed, confirm everything, and as well as the payment and the order quotation and everything. Then you just go to the order fulfilled page, and I'm pretty sure you just need to conduct an overview here and make any last minute changes. And once that's done, you just get the order done, and then you'll go to other status and you'll see the status of your orders as far as I'm aware, and that is pretty much it. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys how that actually looks like, since I do not have any items on Eprolo, neither is my store online. However, that is pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.